Check out this 2011 Nissan Juke. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include turbocharged, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, Bluetooth connection and bucket seats. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.